Welcome. It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
A woman trying to help a homeless man on the plaza ended up giving away a lot more than a little cash. She mistakenly gave him her engagement ring, but the twist to the story is what the person did with it. People hearing this story would think the homeless man's luck is similar to winning the lottery. You live under a bridge and the next thing you know, you end up with platinum and diamonds. To others, it may be a life changer. Billy Ray Harris got the shift and then some last Friday. The ring was so big that I knew if it was genuine, it was expensive, Harris said. He didn't find it in his orange cup until about an hour after its original owner unzipped her wallet and poured her change into it. My rings were distracting me, so I put them in my coin bag, Sarah Darling explained. Darling said she didn't know what she'd done until the next day. I was so extremely upset because, rather than just the value of the ring, it had emotional value, she said. Her high emotions were justified because the object she had mistakenly spilled into Harris's cup, along with her spare change, was her engagement ring after all. Harris didn't know that, but he knew plenty well how sentiment matters more than money. She squatted down like you did like right there and says, "Do you remember me?" And I was like, "I don't know, I see a lot of faces." She says, "I may have gave you something very important." I said, "Was it a ring?" And she says, "Yeah." And I said, "Well, I have it," Harris said. It seemed like a miracle. I thought for sure there was no way I would get it back, Darling said. Many might ask, based on Harris's current position, why he didn't just pawn it and start a new life. My grandfather was a reverend. He raised me from the time I was 6 months old, and thank the good Lord, it's a blessing, but I do still have some character, he said. I think in our culture we always leap to like that worst conclusion, and it just makes you know that there are good people out there, Darling said. Harris had plenty of great lost and found tales to share, including one that happened a long time ago during a Chiefs-Raiders game. There was a former Raiders player in the plaza with his friends. They had been drinking and he jumped into Brush Creek that runs alongside the entertainment district. The former player got out and told us he lost his Super Bowl ring in the lake. Harris discovered it later on the pavement here. He walked all the way over to the Intercontinental Hotel where he thought they were staying, told the desk clerk and got it back to its owner. He got a generous reward that time in a 3-night stay in the Raphael Hotel. Darling also gave Harris a gift. She gave him all the cash she had in her pocket at the time.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.